had been to Badwani on 12th of September 2015. As Mr. Jain said, that more than 10,000 people were gathered there. Most of them were the villagers who and this continued for more than 6 to 7 hours without even a cup of tea. And all the women who were affected, who will be affected, were sitting all through. No representative of the government was there to listen their complaints. And I was surprised when on the next day I found complete blackout in the newspaper.
Now, in short, the report is with respect to at what are the effects of raising the height of the debt, and what was the nature of the work which the government was required to do. What were the obligations of this government to settle or resettle and to rehabilitate the houses who were to be displaced from their own land. You see that there was a tribunal, Narmada Water District Tribunal. It gave its award. The award was very simple. It said that rehabilitation and settlement shall be signed or on for taking land of the persons, and unless rehabilitation work is carried out, then no land that the construction height will not be allowed to be raised. That was the condition precedent. If you raise the height of the dam, certainly some land will come under water. The moment you go on increasing, then the land coverage will be also covered by the water. The land will be submerged. Villages lying in the low-lying area will be under water. So what would happen? Just imagine if the height is raised from 80 meter to 120 meter and then 120 meter, 122 meter to 135 meter. False reports were given. False evidence was created. Number of persons left the land belongs to A. The registered documents were produced up to B. Number of registries were done for which the government had to constitute the court constituted a commission, sub-commission. It gave its report. Number of false documents were created. And false information was given that settlement has been. Now, number of villages, persons, they have neither got the proper compensation or the compensation at all. That no satisfactory work has been done about the allotment of the land, about the allotment of the residential places, about the establishment of the settlement, about the creation of the township or the villages. Nothing has been done. Almost negligible work has been done. Now, thousands of people are roaming here and there. The land has been allocated. Suppose a person is living in X village, and land has been allotted to an alternate land has been allotted in distance of 80 kilometers. How we can do? He has already some land there. Part of the land has come underwater, which is now how we can leave it there? How we can manage it there? When the condition was that unless they are rehabilitated, construction will not be allowed. Our report in fact relates to these facts that the report submitted by the government completely false, fabricated, and it is not to the point. Our finding is that whatever they are speaking the truth. There is a large scale victimization of the persons, large scale fabrication of the documents, fabrication of the evidence, and reporting, false reporting. The purpose was to construct a dam in such manner that it may satisfy the need of irrigation. It may satisfy the drinking water facilities to be provided to the public. Now, this drinking water will go to the companies like Coca-Cola and other factories. People will not get. Irrigation canals have been constructed in the area which is most fertile. the fertile land has been taken, is being taken away. These are the circumstances which we have seen, we have in record. There is a full proof to see that there are number of circumstances we have changed from the very concept of the dam to this stage, and there is a violation, flagrant violation of the human right and all the norms laid down under the award and the judgment of this.
The second important thing that I need to highlight here again is there are something like 245,000 people who are going to be affected. It's not a very small number. It's not a small number, not very small. And if this year the expectation of the fear, I should not say expectation, apprehension was many of the villages will go underwater. But as all of you know, this year it was a drought year because of it. So the water didn't go up that much. But if it goes beyond this year, which will happen in the next 2-3 years, maybe next year, there will be more than 145 villages which will go under. One very important thing that has happened afterwards, as Justice Jain has pointed out, there's subsequent events. There are the backwater level calculation has been changed. See, backwater level is if you raise the height to a certain extent, the dam, the water goes back and lines up behind the dam as the reservoir level. So the Central Water Commission was supposed to mark the backwater level in all around the reservoir, and that demarcates which village, which part of the village is going to be impacted or go underwater, which is going to be above water. This backwater level calculation, right in the beginning by CWC, it was wrong because the marks that you can see in a bridge on a national highway, which is called Mumbai-Indore highway, you can see the mark put by engineers, which is much higher than the backwater level marked by the CWC Central Water Commission engineers. That means without the dam being 138.68 meters, the dam was just 120.92. Without a very high flood year, the water has reached much higher than the CWC, Central Water Commission, has marked that this will go when the dam comes out. So this is entirely erroneous, and this has resulted in several thousand families who have been submerged repeatedly being taken out of the submergence. Entire ground for raising the height of the dam is false statements by this government. That's a very serious thing, and this is, as the Justice has pointed out, this is in clear violation of repeated Supreme Court orders.
So I put a question to the government, of course, and even to the opposition, Congress and opposition. You are saying this law should be carried out. Good. We are happy because you are part of agitating for this law. So what's happened now? Why aren't all people supporting this thing? They are violating the law. And they are violating the law. Then all of them are pushed here in the bill. And I will again
Just 1 minute
and
now.
then hand over to my colleagues. That these things, this is far bigger human tragedy in terms of misery, in terms of number, and in terms of years of suffering than anything.